Hi everyone, this is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and the month of June is over. July has started and it's time for me to tell you my stock photography earnings across all agencies. I usually make these videos at the end of the month, so if you are seeing for the first time, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get updated regularly when I put this kind of monthly earning videos. So I will start with mostphotos.com. In mostphotos.com, I got one sale and it gave me 0.19 euro. Okay, in mostphotos.com it's in euro, so I have already converted that euro to US dollar, so you can see 0.22 US dollar. Okay, the next website is Stockerwill, right? In Stockerwill I got two sales in the month of July and it gave me 2.4 US dollar. Please mind it, if you have already signed up in all these agencies, please don't neglect them, keep uploading. And if you have not signed up in any of these agencies, the links to sign up is already in the video description. You can check them out, right? So next, 123RF. In 123RF in the month of June, I got 6 sales and it gave me total 7.56 US dollar. Next, Alami. I didn't get any sale in Alami at all. Zero. Nada. Right? Next, Canstock photo. In Canstock photo, in the month of June, I had 2 sales, $0.5 each, right? And $1 total. Okay. Next, Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock, I had, it was decent, 15 downloads and 11.44 US dollar. Okay. As you all know that I have actually actively stopped uploading in all other stock photography agencies. These are my residual income from passive income, actually, from what I have already uploaded. Currently I upload mainly in Wirestock because I don't have time to tag etc everything. So in Wirestock my I got 9 sales, actually 9 downloads, and it gave me 3.14 US dollar for the month of June. For Picxy, this is Picxy.com. In Picxy, I got 1 sale in June and it gave me 33.6 rupee, right? But for the sake of calculation, to compare, I have already converted to US dollar. It is around 0.45 US dollar. Friends, I think the noise, background noise suddenly have increased, right? It's because it's raining heavily and my doors are open, windows are open, but I am loving the sound of rains. Okay, I love it so much. Anyway, so next, IM. In IM, I took a payout last month when I reached $10, and since then I have 15 photo sales and 4.2 US dollars. Mind it, the minimum payout balance is $10, right? In Big Stock, in the month of June, I had 6 sales and $2.50. All right, straightforward, $2.50. But generally, Big Stock, each sale gives you 25 cents. Okay. However, I got one big sale via the Big Stock standard. Compared to average Big Stock value, this is a big sale. It gave me around $1 per photo. Okay. Next, in deposit photos. In deposit photos, you can see. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales in deposit photos. I got one good sale, $2.06, and the rest 25 sales. So $3.06 in deposit photo, right? The Dreamstime, it's actually good. In Dreamstime, let me show you. I got in the month of June 1 sale on 4th June, 3 sale on 7th June, 1 sale on 8th June, 1 sale on 9th June, 1 sale on 17th, 1 sale on 18th, 1 sale on 25th. And you can check out on the 29th of June, I got one sale which is $12. Okay, huge. So I've added the numbers and I'll show you later. Next is Pond 5. I already made a video a few days back in my channel. All right, shocking sale in Pond 5. If you have not seen that video, let me show you. Let me go to my channel very quickly. I get very less chance to promote my own channel over here. Anyway, so you can see this video. I told you shocking sale on Pond 5. Why I made that video? Because I got a huge sale of an editorial photo. Mind it, Pond 5 is good for selling video, but I got a photo sale. One photo sold for almost $32, $31.93. So 2 sales in the month of June. one sold for $1.38 and another sold for a huge $31.93. Okay. I also made a video on my iStock earnings. Okay, iStock earnings for May actually shows up in June, and over there I already told you the earning for my iStock for this month actually, which reflects the previous month, is 42.24 and total 119 photos sold, right? And now you already know in which agencies I upload. All right. One agency remains, that is Shutterstock, but I cannot tell you the earning of Shutterstock because I've already made a video previously that my upload got disabled once they gave me warning, legal warning, by the terms of service. The new terms of service, you cannot upload or display Shutterstock earnings anywhere, not even screenshot on Facebook. Okay, so it is very risky. If you want to show off, make sure you save your own account information. All right, otherwise your account might be banned. Okay, so what can I do? But there's a very interesting agency, that is Butterstock. I have been posting my Butterstock earnings since last 2 days. Just on 29th of June, it was 71.84 and I had 138 sales. But I told over there the total earning video won't be coming. Let's wait for the month to be over for any luck on the last day. So I had 138 sales. Guess what? I got one sale on the day I posted. But today I posted a video. I posted a comment where I showed you that I got 10 sales, right? So let me show you the screenshot. This is the one for yesterday, okay, and this is the one for today. So this is my Butterstock earning for the month of June. It's $74.64. So I have added everything. And it's coming to be, you can see I've added everything, and the total earning is $208.02, right? And I have already converted that, and it is coming around 15,472 rupee, right? So this is it. I hope you like this video. Now please note that my portfolio size is not the same in all the agencies. In case of a majority of agencies where the rejection rate is not very low, I mean they accept easily, my portfolio in Dreamstime and deposit photos is around 4,000. In Pond5 it's around 4,500. In Butterstock and other few agencies it's around 3,300. However, my account, Adobe Stock account, got blocked. Okay, I also made a video regarding that. Did you check it out? My Adobe Stock account got blocked because one purchased with a illegal credit card, and I don't know why. I never uploaded any copyrighted stuff. Otherwise, my all accounts would have been blocked. Okay, I uploaded same stuff everywhere. Since then, I made a new Adobe Stock account, and over there I have got only a portfolio size of 900 right now, because you cannot upload same photo all over again. Your account will be banned due to duplicate content. Anyway, so this is it. I hope you have liked this video. If you have seen this video till now, try to prove it in the comment section, okay, by typing the word 0. Okay, if you type 0 in the comment section, then I will know that you watched this video till now. I'll see you soon with another video, and please let me know what are your total earnings across all agencies for the month of June. Alright, I would love to hear from you guys. Anyways, I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.